Alright, here we are again with the Sonoma, and this time some big stuff is actually going to happen with this rear end instead of me just talking about it. Finally got my stock springs ready to go in it, and I picked up a little something extra to upgrade the rear end. As you know, my old rear end that is in it is a stock rear end, 342s, but it's welded. But I picked up this rear end, which has 373s, and I put a brand new mini spool in it because the one that came in it blew up. Even though it was supposed to be a perfectly working rear end. So I bought the best mini spool I could find, even though it's probably not gonna last very long. But definitely ready for some better gearing in this rear end to do better burnouts and pull a little harder, but let me get to it. Well, here's a bit of an update. As you can see, I've got the old rear end out, cover on the new one, starting to put the springs and stuff together. Starting to get it ready to go back in, putting the lowering blocks on it, as you can see. Cast iron heavy bastards. Got everything stripped out from underneath here. Still rusty and crusty, but shocks are just hanging down, brake lines are plugged. Getting everything ready to go. It's been hours and it has rained since the last video I took, but trying to make progress. No idea if I'm going to get it done today, but making progress at least. What's up, guys? We're back again with the Sonoma. Finally got the rear end done. Only been like a week because ran out of time to do the video that night, so we decided not to do it at all. But the rear end is under there. Everything's all tidied up. I got the drums all switched over, got the stock springs back in with the 3-inch lowering blocks. Got the meats back on it. And it does pretty fucking awesome, to be honest. It'll spin them all the way through first still, even with the big tires. And with the skinny tires that we originally had on the rear end when I swapped it, it will spin them through first and second. But we've got a couple videos to show you. Got a video of before the swap, which I'll put in now.
Oh shit! Oh shit! We're pulling! Oh my god! Hell yeah, boy! Woo! Good chance!
And then I got a video after the swap, which I'll put in now. We raced Taki's Subaru, which I'll put all Taki's information in the description below because he wants to be included. But he's got a little, I believe it's 5-speed 4-cylinder Subaru, and it's not a bad car, but it is no match for the Sonoma now. We'll put the hood back on it because I got tired of all the attention that it got. But other than that, the truck's doing pretty well. Got an aftermarket steering wheel that I'm going to put on soon, and hopefully we're having a little get together for some car people to do some racing on the 24th of August, and hopefully we can have a nitrous kit ordered for this thing and some better tires and actually show up and be competitive and get a little bit of money for this thing. But yeah, that's all for now.